was only trigonometry. So this angle was 125 degrees, was given as 125 degrees. Then I've got points A, C, and B. Okay. Then angle ACB was 40 degrees. Angle ACB was 40 degrees. The distance AC was 275. The distance AC was 275 kilometers. So the question says in the diagram, in the triangle ABC below, AC is equal to 275 kilometers, angle BAC is equal to 155. As you can see, the angle in between BAC 155 degrees, and angle ACB was 40 degrees. So now there has been a debate on which one I'm going to use, either sine rule or cosine rule. So in a case where you're given two angles in one side, that one without arguments, you use sine rule. You only use cosine rule if you have been given two sides and the angle between. Then you use cosine what? Rule. But when you have given two angles and one side, sometimes you can be given two sides and one angle, as long as the angle is not in between. So for example, I can have a triangle like that one. Maybe I'm given two sides. Maybe this one is 15 meters. This one is maybe 8 meters. Then the angle is somewhere here. The angle is not in between. So even in this case, you use sine. Here, you use sine. Are we together? Even if you're given two angles and one side, again, you use sine. So in this case, we're going to use sine. So the first question says calculate the distance BC. Calculate the distance. Calculate the distance BC. Are we together? Calculate the distance what? BC. This side, eh? So now, before you start answering a question in trigonometry, the opposite of this angle will be called small letter what? A. The opposite of C, this side AB will be called small letter C. The opposite of B, this side will be called small letter B. Are we together? So now, we are using sine rule. Sine rule, we use A over sine A is equal to B over sine C is equal to C over sine C. Or you can say sine A over A is equal to sine B here. Sine B over B is equal to sine C over C. You can also use that equation. Eh? So you only use you can't use all these three all together. You can use only two parts. You can use A and B. You can use A and C, or you can use B and C. Are we together? So now I've been given the distance. The small letter BAC, small letter B is represented by AC, which is 275 kilometers. But I don't have angle B. Do I have angle B? I don't have angle what? B. But I know that angles in a triangle, they add up to 180 degrees. So if I want to find angle B, I can say 125. You must show this working to find angle B. 125 plus 40 plus angle B. You must get 180 degrees, isn't it? What is 125 plus 40? 165, eh? So it will be 165 plus angle B. You must get 40. Like terms together, the 165 will go to its like term. So angle B will be equal to 180 minus 165. What is 180 minus 165? 15, eh? So angle B is equal to 15. That angle is 15 degrees. Okay? So now I can use sine rule now. I want to find the distance BC. The distance what? The distance BC is represented by small letter A, isn't it? The distance BC is represented by small letter A. So I can say sine rule, I can apply sine rule, I can say A over sine A is equal to which distance has been given? I've been given the distance B, AC, represented by AC, small letter B. So the small letter B is AC. So I can say B over sine. Are we together? We already found the angle is 15 degrees. Huh? Okay, now this.
Oh.
You haven't written. 180. Everything. Okay. So now here I can say it's B, which is so A over sine A. A is represented by BC, right? So where there's A, I can put BC over sine A. The M at A is 1.5. So what sine 1.5 is equal to B. The small letter B is what? SC, which is represented by 275. Right? 275 over sine B. My sine B is 15. Sine 15. Are we together? They're not together. It's B. Small letter B is AC, which is 275. Over the small b, where you have found the angle B, 15 degrees. So we added this angle plus this angle, we got 165. 180 minus 165 is 15 degrees. So we can say B, small letter B, which is AC, over sine B, sine 15. B is 15. And I said sine 15. Okay? Then from here, we can cross multiply. We can cross multiply. BC times sine 15 is going to get BC sine 15 is equal to 275 multiplied by sine 125 degrees. Isn't it? I want to find BC, so I can divide both sides by sine 15, even this side by sine. I can cancel. So my BC now will be equal to, what is 275 times sine 125? 275. You must use calculators. This is paper 2. Don't use a phone. Use a calculator. What is 275 times sine 125? Sine 125. 275 times sine 125. What do you get? Divide by sine 15. The answer? Yes, divide by sine 15. Sine 15, not 15. Divide by sine 15. This is not sine 15. You have to put sine 15. Come in.
Which class are you to go? You should come and get when going to class. I don't know.
275 times sine 125.
Sine
125. Because divide by sine 15. What do you get? 870. Answers are given correct to 3 significant figures, so the distance is simply 870. That's our distance BC. So this distance is 870. Are we together, everyone? Then I go to the next question. Calculate the area of triangle ABC. Area. Calculate the area of triangle ABC. So this is how we calculate the area of triangle ABC. I'm going to give you a formula. So area of a triangle is given by half. So which distance has been given? This is small letter A, then this is small letter B. I know the distance for small letter B, and I know the distance for small letter A. So it's half A, B, then sine C. Are we together? Half A, B, sine C. If you have been given the small letter C and small letter B, you say half BC sine A. You have been given the small letter A and small letter C. You say half AC sine B. Is it clear? So area is equal to half times, what is small letter A? 870 times small letter B, 270 times sine. The sine C is 40. The C, M at C is 40. So it will be sine 40. Can you punch on that on the calculator? What do you get? So area is going to be equal to
Sine what? Let's say
sine 40. What did you find? 1 over 2 times 870 times 275 times sine 40.
Also, when I just started from 8, so I divide with 2.
1 over this. Do you know where the over is? This is good and figures. What is the answer? 8? 76. After 8, what number is there?
9.
After
Oh, it's
8.
not the point, sorry. 76 is after 8 is 9.
After 8?
Yeah.
So you need to be 9.
9, yeah.
Then how many numbers are there?
Like
After 9.
After 9.
After 8, there
After
are
8, there are 2
2 numbers. So you need to be 0, 0. Numbers are given direct to 3 significant what? So you round it off like that. So this was area is measured in square units. So area is equal to 769 and 2 zeros. Kilometer. Area is measured in square units. Eh? So that's our area. Any question on the area? I'll answer. You have the third question. Find the shortest distance from A to BC. Find the shortest distance from A to BC. The shortest distance from A to BC. So shortest distance is given with the formula 2 times area over base. They are saying from A to BC. So the base is BC. The area is the same one that we have found. So shortest distance will be equal to 2 times the area is 76900 over from A to BC, meaning the base is BC. BC we found it was 87. What is 2 times 76,900 divided by 870? So shortest distance is equal to
Right by
2 times 76,900 divided by 870.
Let's see, 176.
176.
Yeah.
Direct.
No, 0.78.
Point two.
78.
So correct different figures. I must scratch here. So 177. So this distance is equal to 177 grams. Are you happy?
No.
This area you
Yeah,
say
behind.
deal with like meters squared, then
This is just kilometers.
So,
Yes.
I'm behind you. I'm asking you to repeat on finding the area.
Area.
Yes.
Area is equal to half the distance that you have calculated. You know.